Good morning. I am from Lokmanya Tilak School. Students of class 1 in science. In science, unit 3, animal life. Huh? Animal around us. This chapter has been started. In this chapter, we see, good morning, Prachi, varieties of uh, animals, types of animals. Hmm? Uh, Then we read about the birds, types of birds. Then we have read types of insects. Where do animals live? Okay, fish live in the Prachi, fish lives in Aisha. Very good. Clap for Aisha. Sanid, the elephant live on land. Very good. And crocodile and frog lives both on water and land. वाटर में भी रहता है और लैंड में भी रहता है. ओके. नाउ एनिमल्स बेबीज. Here are some animals with their babies. A hen with a chick, a cat with a kitten, a dog with a pup, a cow with a calf, a sheep with a lamb, a tiger with a cub. Hen baby called chick, cat baby called kitten, dog baby called pup, cow baby called calf, sheep baby called lamb, and tiger baby is called cub. Now some new words. Insect. A small animal with 6 legs is called an insect. Wings. Body parts of animals that help them to fly. Wings क्या होते हैं? पर होते हैं. Body part help animal to fly. Let's recall. Animal are of different size. Different size के animal होते हैं ना. Some are big, other are small. कुछ बड़े और कुछ छोटे. Number 2. Some animals are found in the forest, some in our neighborhood, and some in the zoo. Third, birds are animals with wings. Birds are also animals, but they have wings. They can fly. Some birds only move on their legs. They cannot fly, like penguin and ostrich. देखिए यहाँ था ना. ये देखिए ostrich and penguin, they cannot fly. They can only move with their legs. Animals with 6 legs called insect. Okay. Most insects can fly. Animals live on land, water, or on trees. Some live both on land and in water. All animals have babies. Insect have legs. कितने होंगे insect के legs? 6 or 8? 6. The dash is big animal. Elephant or cat? कौन सा बिग होगा? एलिफेंट की कैट? एलिफेंट. Animals that live in dash are called wild animal. Forest. जो फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं उन्हें हम लोग वाइल्ड एनिमल कहते हैं. birds use their wings to fly. Frog lives in dash and dash. Frog कहाँ रहता है? Land and water. Complete this exercise in book. Put the date here. Write CW here. A parrot swims in water. False. Parrot नहीं करता है ना, duck swim करती है. अगर आप false कहते हो तो you know the correct answer. You should know the correct answer. A monkey lives on tree. It's true. A housefly has 6 legs. It's also true. The body of dog is the baby of dog is called kitten. Aisha, the baby of dog is called kitten. Is it true or false? It is false. What is the correct answer? The baby of dog is called Sanidhya. The baby of dog is called puppy. Very good. An ostrich cannot fly. Is it true or false? It is true. Ostrich and penguin cannot fly. Match the following. Column A, column B. Penguin, penguin का मैचिंग कर देंगे. Cannot fly. Tiger, tiger baby cub. Fish, fish lives in. Tell me answer. Fish lives in water. Cow baby called calf. Birds have beak. Now write this short question answer in your copy. ये आप लोग को कॉपी में करना है, ठीक है. जिस साइड एक साइड आप लोग ने पिक्चर बनाई है उसके दूसरे साइड आप लोग हेड चैप्टर नेम डालेंगे, हेडिंग डालेंगे. लेसन नंबर 5 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर. ओके, शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. राइट द बुक एंड कॉपी, इसको आपको दोनों में करना है. राइट द नेम ऑफ 2 बिग एनिमल. एलिफेंट, कैमल. How do birds fly? They have feather on their wings. Write the name of 2 birds cannot fly. Ostrich and penguin. Where are most animals found? Animals are found in land, water and tree. Name of 2 animals that live on both frog and crocodile. आप लोग वीडियो पॉज करके क्वेश्चन आंसर अपने कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. In book and copy both with a very beautiful handwriting. Okay. Swimming up. Write the words in the box. Complete the web. Live on land. देखिए dog and cat. Animals है ना, live in water. Fish, octopus. Both land and water. Frog, crocodile. Live on tree. Monkey and squirrel. This work done only book. कॉपी में सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर करने हैं, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स और जो भी ट्रू फॉल्स वगैरह यू कैन डू ओनली इन योर बुक. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ कंप्लीट योर वर्क. गुड डे.